Today I'm talking about a discovery that I just found out about a few days ago, and this has already changed my life. So, this discovery is basically going to help you post on all social platforms that you possibly want to post on at the same time. And this is revolutionary. It's kind of something that I never thought of before, but now that it exists, it's absolutely genius. And let me tell you why this is amazing for both if you are an Amazon seller or if you're just a content creator, or not just a content creator, but if you are a content creator or if you have a business. You don't necessarily need to be an Amazon seller to take advantage of this platform. You just need to have some type of social presence or want to have some type of social presence. So, what I used to do before for my social media and for my brand social media as well is I used to focus on just one platform, and this is what you should continue to do. So, let's say, for example, you're either focusing on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or whatever it is. Just focus on one platform, because the point is that you want to get consistent on that one platform and then repurpose that content piece to all of the other platforms that you want to repurpose on. The best thing to do is to be present on all platforms. This is the best thing for you to do, because you don't want to miss out on an opportunity, and you don't want to not appear where your customer is looking, or not appear where your customer is searching for you in. So, for example, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, all of these platforms, they're not platforms that we would regularly think of or regularly think to post on, but your customers might be on there searching for advice or searching for your product or searching for your niche, and you are not appearing on there because you're not repurposing your content to those platforms. Prior to this platform that I'm about to show you, it was actually really exhausting to and very tedious to repurpose your content to all of these different platforms. What you had to do prior is to download your video off of TikTok. So, usually you would want that without the watermark. So you would download it through, let's say, like one of those TikTok downloading websites that download it without the watermark. And then you would go ahead and post it on Instagram, post it on Shorts. But by the time that you get to 3 platforms or even 4, it just becomes really tedious and really exhausting and very time consuming, that it's hard to remain consistent on all of these platforms, which means that you are now going in and posting on 5 to 6 different social platforms, writing the hashtags, writing the captions for each of them. It's just very tedious and very time consuming. Realistically, nobody's posting on more than 3 or 4 platforms consistently every single day. It's very hard. I mean, if you're posting on one, then that's like you're doing great. This is where this platform comes in. So the platform that I'm talking about, or the website, is called repurpose.io, and this is a new AI website or software, I'm not sure exactly what to call it, where it will automatically repurpose your content from wherever you choose. You could have it pull your content from Instagram, from TikTok, from Google Drive. There are endless possibilities here. And whenever you post a new TikTok, for example, this is how I have it set up for my account. Whenever I post a new TikTok, it will automatically go up as YouTube Shorts. It'll automatically go up on my LinkedIn, on my Twitter, on my Instagram, on my Pinterest, and on my Facebook as well. So I this would have never happened if I was doing this manually. I needed something to automate this for me, and this platform was it. This is life changing. So I'm very excited to be sharing it with you guys. So I'm going to share my screen right now so that you can see what I'm talking about. It is, I have my different workflows. Now, the way that it works is it's actually really, really simple. All you do is you go on connections once you've created an account, and it's really not that expensive. I believe it's like $25 a month. So you create your account, you pay the $25. You can even get like 2 weeks free as well, I believe. And then you add a new connection here. So as you can see, I've basically connected almost everything. So I have my Instagram connected, my LinkedIn, my YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and I have it labeled here by the type of account. So when you get the $25 subscription, I believe that you can connect up to 5 social accounts per type of social channel. So I could do like 5 Pinterest accounts, I could do 5 Twitter accounts, etc. I think so. If I'm wrong, I will correct it on the screen. So So I have my TikTok, my Google Drive, my Facebook, everything linked. And you could just do that by clicking add a new connection, and then you're gonna choose which platform that you want. As you can see here, there's a lot more platforms than what I have connected. So there is SoundCloud, there is video podcast, audio podcast, there's Dropbox, there's Zoom, there is so much more than I have connected, but I've just chosen the top platforms that I'm using at the moment. And then what you do is once you've connected all of them and make sure to label it correctly so that you're not mixing them up, then you're going to go on workflows and you are going to create a workflow. So creating a workflow means that you wanted to pull the content from a source and post it on another source. So as you can see, I have centralized that I want to pull all of my content from TikTok. You don't need to do that. You could do that you want to pull all of your content from a Google Drive folder. And that way it's probably going to be uploaded in higher quality as well. You could choose that you want it to be pulled from Instagram. You can choose that you want it to be pulled from YouTube. So it does not need to be your TikTok. But for me, it's just because I'm mainly posting on my TikTok. So I just wanted to pull from there. I'm mainly posting on there every day. I have grown to be consistent to post every single day on TikTok and on Instagram. So I was either going to pull from either of these platforms basically because I know that I'm posting on them regardless every single day. So you choose the platform that you want to pull from. Let's go through the motions of creating a new workflow here. So first you're going to name the workflow, and I named most of my workflows basically the platform that I'm pulling from. So let's say TikTok, and then let's say for example Zoom. All right, and then it's gonna ask you to choose a source type. So you're gonna choose your source. I have chosen TikTok. And then it's gonna ask you, do you want to upload the full video or do you want to upload snippets of the video? Now snippets is great for YouTube. But for me, I'm just gonna choose full video because TikTok videos are already like 30 seconds long. And then you're gonna choose a destination. So for example, let's say I want it to be posted. I actually don't have my Zoom linked on here. So let's say for example, I want it to go on Pinterest. And then for Pinterest, you're gonna choose your Pinterest board. And then let's say for example, I choose positive self-affirmations. Done. And then let's see, where is the one that I just created? So this is the one that I just created. And then once you go on here, view content, you can see that it's pulled up my most recent TikToks. And it actually depends on the platform, but you can see here that it actually pulls up all of my TikToks. So it may take some time to load, but if I go back to like page 23, for example, I'm gonna have TikToks from 2021, like 2 years ago, from 3 years ago. So it goes way back, and that's great because you can use content that you've made from years ago, and it still has the potential to go viral or still has the potential to do really well today. And then basically, let's say I want to post this on Pinterest. All you need to do is choose the piece of content. You can click on it to view it if you aren't sure of exactly what it is. And then you click on publish. And here you have the ability to change the title. You have the ability to change the description. You could do subtitles into the video. This is great for YouTube. If you have subtitles on YouTube, you could do that. You could add a link because this is Pinterest, and on Pinterest you're able to add a link. And then a cover image, and then you can publish now or you can schedule it. And this is awesome because you can actually schedule content in advance. So let's say, for example, you want to automate this. You can go on settings, and this is the most recent video that I've just uploaded, and you can choose a certain template. So let's say for example you want to have a template for this. They have predefined templates over here. These are great for if you're going to repurpose YouTube videos into TikToks or Pinterest videos or whatever. Or you could create templates as well. I have done this template over here for when I repurpose my YouTube videos, and this has my branding on it and everything. And you could choose here other features. So you can add a fade out effect to the end of the video. You could exclude videos that contain a specific hashtag. So there is so much that you can do. You can get email notifications, and you can add here your Pinterest or whatever. If it's the link to your product, you can just add that here so that when it does auto post every time, you don't need to manually add your link. It's just going to automatically post it and add that link that you filled in over here, and then you just save it, and then you turn on the auto toggle. So this is the gist of it. I don't want to go too much into detail because they actually have a lot of really good resources on the website itself, and I feel like they explain it a lot better than I could possibly explain it, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So if you go on resources, you can go on tutorial videos. I am still learning about it. I'm not an expert in it just yet, but to be honest, guys, it's very, very easy to use. So you definitely do not need to be like an expert or anything like that to use this. So I'm gonna leave a link below for you guys to sign up. That link is an affiliate link, but they did not sponsor this video or anything like that. It's just they literally have an affiliate area right here, so I just pulled a link from there. Let me know what you think of this platform if you're going to be trying it out, and I'll be reading the comments below.